Hello, this is Mindy from the Weekend Gardener, and today I'd like to talk about the difference between formal and informal landscaping. Now, believe it or not, you have both of them in your yard. Formal landscaping is you're putting your suit on for your business. It's your front yard. So having fun things in your front yard really is not appropriate. Now, before I go on with this, if you are completely content with your landscaping, then by all means go for it. The landscaping is to make you happy. But if you are looking to present a certain image, or you're trying to sell your home, understanding the difference between formal and informal areas of your yard is very important. So formal is that appearance that you want to put forth for people. Informal, which is your backyard, is where you're going to have all your fun and parties and your pool and your kids' swing sets and etc. back there. It's your informal, laid-back playtime area. While the front yard is your very stiff image you want to present to the world. Now, having said that, that does not mean that you're going to use topiaries and fancy things in your front yard, a formal space of your landscaping, because it is formal. You really have to look also at the style of your home. Now, as an example, if you lived in a log cabin, topiaries, finely pruned topiaries is not going to be the right formal type of landscaping for that home style. So take a look at the type of home you have and your personality and come up with what your version of a formal landscape is for your front yard. And then just have all sorts of fun and experiment in the backyard. I hope this video was helpful, and until we meet in the garden again, this has been Mindy from the Weekend Gardener.